Clean script 50 words revision video set 1 words 1 minus 10 accept to agree to take. I accept your invitation. Accident and unplanned event. The car had an accident, account a record or bank account. Check your bank account. Act to do something. Please act quickly. Activity something you do. Exercise is a healthy activity. Add to put more. Add 2 cups of water. Address place where you live. Write your home address. Adult a grown person. This movie is for adults. Advice helpful suggestion. She gave good advice. Afraid feeling fear. I am afraid of spiders. Set to words 11 minus 2011. After later than. We will go after lunch. 12. Again one more time. Say it again, please. 13. Against opposite or touching. Lean against the wall. 14. Age how old someone is. What is your age? 15. Ago before now. 2 years ago I moved. 16. Agree have the same opinion. I agree with you. 17. Air the gas we breathe. Open the window for fresh air. 18. All everyone. All students are ready. 19. Allow give permission. I allow you to go. 20. Alone by yourself. She is alone at home. Set 3 words 21 minus 30. 21. Already before now. I already finished. 22. Always every time. She always smiles. 23. Amazing very surprising or great. The view is amazing. 24. Amount total quantity. The amount is 200 grams. 25. Angry very upset. He was angry yesterday. 26. Animal living creature. A lion is a wild animal. 27. Another one more. I need another pen. 28. Answer or reply. Give me your answer. 29. Any one or some. Do you have any money? 30. Appear to become visible. Stars appear at night. Set for words 31 minus 40. 31. Apply to use or put on. Apply for the job. 32. Area a place or region. This area is green. 33. Argue to disagree loudly. They argue about the plan. 34. Arm a body part. Raise your arm. 35. Around near or surrounding. Look around the room. 36. Arrive to come to a place. We arrive at noon. 37. Art creative work. She loves modern art. 38. Article a short paper. Read the article. 39. Artist a creative person. The artist paints well. 40. Ask to request. Ask a question now. Set 5 words 41 minus 50. 41. Attack to try to harm. The storm did not attack the town. 42. Attend to be present. I attend school every day. 43. Attention focus of the mind. Pay attention now. 44. Attract to pull toward. Bright signs attract customers. 45. August the month. July and August are summer months. 46. Aunt your parent's sister. My aunt is kind. 47. Author or writer. The author wrote 3 books. 48. Autumn fall season. Leaves fall in autumn. 49. Available ready to use. The book is available. 50. Avoid to stay away from. Avoid loud places at night. Notes for the video. 1 word per slide big. Clear text enough seconds for reading plus repeating 3-5s per slide. No extra visuals, icons, or distractions. Calm background music optional.